In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to log out of the Whop. If you're finished using your account and want to safely sign out, this is a very quick process. Logging out is especially useful if you're on a shared computer, using a public device, or simply want to make sure no one else can access your account after you're done. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, so the process is simple and easy to follow. To begin, go to Whop in your web browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your account interface. If you're already logged in, you should be able to access your usual dashboard or homepage without needing to enter your details again. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is typically where account-related options are stored, so if you ever need to manage your settings, switch account options, or sign out, this is usually the place to check first. When you click your profile, a drop-down menu should appear with several choices related to your account. From that menu, click Sign Out. As soon as you select it, Whop will log you out of your account. In most cases, you'll be taken back to a general page or the login screen, which confirms that the sign out was successful. If you don't immediately see the sign out option, take a moment to look through the full drop-down menu, since the exact layout can sometimes vary slightly depending on updates to the platform. Also, if you're using a smaller browser window or a mobile-style layout on desktop, some options may be slightly collapsed or arranged differently, but the profile menu is still the key place to start. A good habit after signing out is to make sure you no longer see your account dashboard or private content on the screen. If needed, you can refresh the page to confirm that you've been logged out properly. If the site asks you to log in again to continue, that means the logout worked, and that's it. As you can see, logging out of Whop only takes a few seconds once you know where to find the profile menu. It's a simple but important step for keeping your account secure, especially when you're not using your own personal device.